Hey, it's Brian here. In this video, I'm going to show you two different dance moves you can do at parties or at clubs. So the first one here is the step, touch, snap. So it looks like this. Okay, so to break this move down for you, there are a couple different things going on. First, we have the up and up bounce motion, which looks like this. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And then we have the step touch motion, which looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we have the turning motion, which is going from one side to the other, one side to the other. And the last motion here is your arm movements. It goes one up, one down, one up, one down. And we actually do the snapping when we do it. Okay, so let's start putting these couple things together. So the first couple of things we're going to put together, the up and up bounce motion, 1 and 2, with the step touch motion, which is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let me show you how it works. So what you want to do is you want to start with your knees bent, and then you want to step over to one side as you bring your body up. So it looks like this. Boom. Okay, so start with knees bent, step out, stand up. And as you travel back, bringing this foot to your other side, you're going to bring your body down, and as you get to your destination, bring your body back up. So that looks a little bit confusing when I do it slowly, but with a little bit more speed, it looks like this. Boom and boom. Okay, so one more time. I'm going to start with knees bent, stepping out to this side. I'm going to stand up, and then I'm going to bring this foot in as my body travels back down, up. Okay, so there's two bounces. It's up and up as I go. Boom and boom. Okay, so let's give it a try. This side first, starting with knees bent. We're going to go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Speed it up. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. At this point, let's put the direction in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our body one side to the other, one side to the other. So it goes boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So all you're doing is when you're stepping to one side, you're turning your body to one side, and as you go to the other side, you turn your body to the other side. Okay? So one more time, we're going to go to this side first, turning our body this way. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add our arm motion in there. So the motion goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, I know it doesn't look like much when I'm doing it on its own, but it makes sense in context. So it's basically staggered. One arm up, one arm down, and then you're going to switch. And as you do that, you're going to snap. So boom, 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 boom. Alright, so let's put everything together. We're going to travel to this side. Boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom. Da, 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 da. Alright, so the last thing I'm actually going to add in here is the swing motion. So when you step to one side, you want to make sure that your body is doing a little bit of a sway, so your upper body is being left behind when you start, and it follows through as you get to your destination. So boom and boom, boom and boom. When you add that in there, okay, it makes the movement look better. Okay, so the next move here is the bar sits and step touch. It looks like this. Alright, so for this one, let me show you how it works. We're going to have the up and up motion one more time, but in this case, it's going to be a little bit different because we're going to be doing the step touch a little bit differently. When we do the step touch, we're going to go step, slide, step, slide, step, slide, step, slide. So putting the two together, it'll look like this. Boom and slide, boom and slide, boom and slide, boom, slide. Alright, so we're going to have an up, and then we're going to step out, and as we step out and we bring the other foot in, we're going to bring our body up. Alright, so it's got that sliding motion. So one more time. up,